We have been looking for an intelligent anti-snore pillow that fits our sleeping position and makes us relaxed and comfortable. With the ultra-high sensitivity omnidirectional MEMS sensor inside the headrest, AliSleep Intelligent Anti-Snore Pillow will detect the snore. Then the AI system will activate 4 large-sized airbags inside the headrest. The 2 airbags on the left are inflated firstly, which can lift the head to turn it, and the throat muscles can change from compression to relaxation and expansion. According to the snoring situation, the pillow will continue to inflate the airbag until the snoring is no longer detected, and then it will automatically stop inflating. After stopping for 30 seconds, all the airbags will deflate slowly, and your head will move to a new, comfortable position. The AliSleep headrest also has a 30-minute massage mode to relax the neck and shoulder muscles. AliSleep can change the strength of the 4 airbags to achieve a relaxing effect before going to bed. AliSleep is an extremely ergonomic pillow, round tube wave pattern design, 360-degree wrapping design, 4 cm height difference at the back of the head, neck traction design, 15-degree shoulder inclination angle, memory foam, and so on, all in line with the perfect sleep position. After more than 3 years of research and development, we replaced the sensors, selected different combinations of silent motors and airbags, and abandoned complicated external controllers, and finally formed a relaxing, comfortable, and intelligent anti-snore pillow. We are now meeting everyone on Kickstarter. Looking forward to your support and likes.